Your home is your castle, a sacred place that offers reprise from the outside world. 815 Paseo Miramar offers a lifestyle in one of the finest areas of the Pacific Palisades. At the top of Paseo Miramar, you will find this magnificent East Coast Hampton style estate, aglow in the evening sunset with Los Leones Canyon at your feet and an unobstructed view of the Pacific Ocean. A captivating ocean view pergola overflows onto the Jacuzzi, Infiniti Pool, and handcrafted Infiniti deck. This beautiful open-plan lounge and dining room are perfect for creating memories that last a lifetime while enjoying the most exclusive views that California has to offer. Breakfast comes with a view of the ocean as you sit down to enjoy this captivating poolside breakfast nook with indoor-outdoor fireplace. This meticulously constructed new home melds classic elegance, Hampton's comfort, and the finest of California craftsmanship. A stately master bedroom has double doors opening to an oceanfront porch and an ensuite designer bathroom with beautiful finishes. His and hers appointments feel more like one huge bathroom and are adjoined by a double-entry shower surrounded by glass and views. Luxuries abound with generous, sun-filled sitting areas adorned by wood-crafted balustrades. Each of the bedrooms easily accommodates king-size luxury beds and are appointed with walk-in closets and ensuite marble surface bathrooms. Kick back and enjoy your finest bottle of wine in this glass front wine cellar. Your guests will be thoroughly entertained with immediate access to the game room, a luxurious home theater, and an adjacent fitness studio ready to go. An impeccable kitchen is always the hotspot at a party, and this marble-top island layout does not disappoint. Do not miss the opportunity to live in one of the most exclusive residences in the Palisades. 815 Paseo Miramar is truly a one-of-a-kind home.